The Bullfrog and Leapfrogged point system is a patented Yeomans innovation designed to dramatically extend point life, reduce running costs, and ensure every bit of steel is used. This is the Bullfrog, the base of the entire system. And this is the Leapfrog. It's inserted into the Bullfrog. While it doesn't look sharp, it still penetrates well and wears down to a point in no time. Here's a worn-down Leapfrog. At this stage, we remove it, place a new Leapfrog into the base, then reinsert the worn one on top. You keep ploughing until the entire point has worn down and the newer Leapfrog is at about half, like this. Then you repeat the process. If the points begin to skate over the ground and lose their digging ability, simply turn the point upside down. That's all it takes to restore its digging capability.